So I sent that song out to myself. Probably. How you doing? I want to say big mahalo to Kapala Ball for having me here. So on this last Sunday before Christmas. You guys ready for Christmas? Yay or nay? I think a lot of us are ready for Christmas, but not our bank accounts, yeah? Alright, get back, relax, and do some more of my favorite songs. You can find this next song on my latest release. And you can see Francis for the demo from there. Songs out of Beauty. Oh now mahale kamahe lupe 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 hari ahole nahe dike hari mega haru hoka lupi. Oh beauty ko ali kahimanu ki ko pule buha aloha ika tuhima tului kawai akamo Wahele alohe lohe lupe lupe ha lupe hana ahole nahe like haku meka hano ala o lupi. Oh beauty ko ho'alike kahimanu ki ko pule buha aloha ika tuhima tului kawai